Objects only copy their references when assigned, so we'll need to write our own duplication method. The simplest way is to create a new object and copy each value manually. To make this more reusable, we can write a copy constructor, passing in an object of the same type. Now that we've defined a constructor, we'll need to add a default one so we can still create our first object. This works well for simple classes, but what happens when our class contains references to other objects? Those objects will only have their references copied and won't be cloned, which can lead to some issues that can be pretty hard to debug. Copying only the references like we have is called a shallow copy, but if we instead copy every object we find, we call it a deep copy. This can be tricky to keep track of, so it's helpful to create two separate methods, one for each kind of copy. And since our copy constructor can't tell us what kind of copy it's making, let's remove it. Finally, we can automate shallow copying by using the memberwise clone function and casting the result to our copy's type.